How to close BetMGM account, delete BetMGM Sportsbook accounts. If you have decided to close your BetMGM accounts, you just have to contact customer support. Now, if you're a US citizen and you are using from US, from betmgm.com, you log in and go to Help and Customer Care from the top right hand side. Once you go to Help and Customer Care, on the next page, you'll find the option called Contact Us. Click on the Contact Us button that you can see right here. And you can see the option called Live Chat. You can click on Live Chat, talk to one of the customer representative, and let them know that you would like to go ahead and then basically delete your account. However, if you are from UK, then you can go to betmgm.co.uk/support. I repeat, betmgm.co.uk/support. From there, under the customer support tab, you can simply select live chat option again, just like we did earlier. Talk to them and let them know that you would like to delete your account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.